Quantifiers match many zone any class duration 35 minutes. K resource whiteboard quantify flashcard Educaplay game. A flipped classroom model. Teacher Nancy Bermudez day class 7 November. Introduction and setup. Hello everyone, this video shows how we taught quantifier to our astronaut egg level in a 35 minutes class using the TVIL approach and our core resource. The whiteboard and flashcard we had to move fast so every minute counted. Review and Educaplay. We dedicate the first 5 minutes to quickly activate pure knowledge. We project the Educaplay game, reviewing countable versus uncountable nouns. The rapid classification was essential as it establishes the foundation needed for the whiteboard. Whiteboard and flashcard mapping 10 minutes. The interactive cake was assigning the most and many flashcards to their columns. By the end of this phase, the rule was visually unsure, many on the countable side, much on the uncountable side. This visual I was or constant reference. The TVIL tax receipts 5 minutes. We allocated the longest segment, 15 minutes, for the communicated tasks. The intercultural receipts using the rules established on the board, students had to create their receipts. Were at and closer 2 minutes. This phase immediately checked if they could apply the correct quantifier. For example, many, tomatoes, mash, salt, and tire pressure. The TVIL approach ensure quick, mindful speaking practice. Here is an example of their presentation. We use the final 2 minutes to summarize. We quickly looked at the board one last time, confirming the placement of all the flashcards. The main takeaway was clear. Check the noun, then choose the quantifier. The task was done. The language goal was achieved. On the intercultural element was shared. Final reflections. In just 35 minutes, leverages the visually clarify of the whiteboard on the communicated drive of the TVIL task. We successfully introduce complex grammar. It shows that effective lesson planning allows for deep learning even in short sessions. Thanks for you watching. Bye bye.